Hey everyone, welcome to this video where we'll help you out how to change the leverage right here on Deriv. And I have two options, two ways where there is a possibility to change the leverage. The first thing where I need to tell you that is very difficult is the MetaTrader 5 option, because if I go right here to trade and demo and I select right here the CFD standard and we go to trade and we go to the MetaTrader 5 web trader, there's no way how we can change the leverage right here. They automatically change the leverage for you, but right here on the chart, so let's say I want to buy this position from here and we click on new order, there is no way how we can change the leverage manually. But if we go back and we go right here to home and we select right here at trade, demo, the multiplier and we do trade, he will send us right here to the Deriv trade station. And this is exactly where the magic happens, because right now, if you can see, now we have a lot of information from here, but if you go to the multiplier, we can change it right here to ×5 or ×3 or ×2. So this is where you can change the leverage. So this is what you need to know, and this is the only place where to change the leverage. And this is what I need to tell you. So this is the place where you can change the leverage. So hopefully this was exactly the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.